So paying with your Walmart's Rewards Mastercard is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can use your Walmart's Rewards Mastercard to pay for anything you want. So for that, we will go to the Walmart, for example, just to show you guys how we can do that. And as you guys can see, I'm at the home page. So the thing is pretty simple. You need to start looking for whatever you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy these two things. What I just did is, if I go back to the home page, I just added these things into the cart. So how you guys can add these into the cart? Suppose if I go to any of the store and I'm just click on this add, what it will do is it will add this into my cart. So if I go to my cart, as you guys can see, I'm at my cart. Let it just load first, and here you just have to click on this continue to checkout. So what it will do is it will ask for the remaining information about my street addresses, my cities, and all the other notes as well. You can also deliver it to someone else. There is an option for payment method. So what you have to do, you just simply have to use your Walmart card as a payment method. You just need to use a payment method as a MasterCard, and you can put your Walmart's MasterCard. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use your Walmart's Rewards Mastercard for the purpose of payments. Hope you guys found this video helpful.